Hello guys, this video is about WordPress and it's gonna I want to talk about learning how to use WordPress. And just in case you don't know already, WordPress is a system where you can build a website without learning how to code, without having to know how to write this type of code in order to build a website. This is how websites are really created or developed. A person that does this, that writes all this, these are different codes that tells a web browser how your website looks and what it should do, all the little effects and function that it has. This is how the website is really created. It's developed with all this code, and only a web developer can do that. But you don't have to be a web developer in order to be able to create a good looking website. All you need is WordPress. WordPress pretty much does all this for you, and it does it in a visual way where you can just if you get, they have different page builders. Some you can work from the front end, and then also it's good to learn how to do it from the back side. Let me show you. This is this is one of my websites. It's not really like a website that it's not my actual website. It's just something I have on the side just for practice, and this is where I have all the maintenance for all the other websites that I keep up, that I do maintenance for. So this is it's just a separate website that I have to have in order to have all the websites connected to this. I have all the websites connected to this website, and from here I can manage all my other websites that I maintain. So this is the back. Okay, so this is WordPress. WordPress is gonna look a little overwhelming. Let me show you. WordPress, you log into your website, and then you put there's an extra little link that you put here that allows you to log into your website, into the dashboard. And this is WordPress. At first, I have a little extra things. Don't mind this. This, you won't have this, but you'll have a lot of stuff here depending on your theme that you're gonna choose. You're gonna have different options, but what you're gonna always see is gonna be the settings, tools, users, plugins, appearance, and then a few other ones depending on your theme. So it looks overwhelming at first because it's just like, it's not like a visual editor where you can or like those other places like Weebly and Squarespace, where you can build a website from the front end and it looks simple and easy. But then when it comes to adding different functions and if certain things that you want to do with your website, you're going to be limited if you build your website in one of those platforms, or they're going to want to charge you extra in order to give you access to your server and stuff like that. And right here in WordPress, you have a lot more control. That's why it's nice. At first, I didn't start using it until a few months after I built my first website. I wanted to have a little bit more freedom and control of what I did with my website, and I decided to start learning it, and then I've been using it ever since. I've been building websites for a couple months now. I built about 3 websites, and I just keep getting better and better each time. You can look at some of my websites. I'm gonna be posting them. I'm gonna be posting my work so you guys can see the work that I'm doing. So this is it. If you wanna, let me see. If you just go right here, pages. You go to pages. It's pretty simple. You just have your pages. You have your plugin section, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about all of these different things on different videos. If you follow me on Facebook and on YouTube, then I'm gonna start putting more videos up there for you guys to learn all of this stuff. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to do this, okay? So you can learn how to manage your own website, or how to maintenance your own website, okay? At least the basic stuff, and then the stuff that it's out of your reach, you can just always outsource it, okay? I'm gonna try to keep this video kind of short too. I don't want to get too much into it. I just want to show you how you edit here. Okay, so these are all the pages that I have. Let's go to the check to the cart page. I should have just went to the sample page. I'm sorry. I'm not sure what's gonna show up here. Let's just go back. So yeah, this is WordPress. You know, it looks just like this. To check to visit your site, you go here. This is where you're gonna make all your pages. You can create a new page here. Let me show you. You have a link. You have a button here that says create new page. Let's add a new page. Let's just do that. I'm inside my car, guys. I'm sorry. I'm out in public and I just went to my car to create this video for you guys real quick, because I want to put it out there so you guys can start learning, you know. I can't put it. I've been wanting to do it for the last couple of days and I haven't had a chance. I've been real busy. So okay, so you just name your page here. Let's say my new page, my new page, and then you just write your content here. I'm gonna get a lot more into it. This is not the way that you're really gonna do it. Let me see what my page builder is here. Okay, right here you can create different columns and add different widgets. You can add a gallery. You can add maps and stuff like that. You can add an image. Okay, let's add an image, and from here, and these you can always you can edit it. Let me see. Okay, you can edit here. You can add, you know. You see, this is how you create it. You create 3 columns. Bam, bam, bam. You can put 3 images here. You can add a new widget. This one can be a text, and you'll have more of these. Depending on the, you can add more, you can buy more. There's just so many things that you can do. You can buy them. There's some of them are free. Obviously, the bought ones are always better. Depending on the theme that you choose, you're gonna have a lot more too. Some of these themes, they come with a lot more function and a lot more things that you can do. Let me get text. So I'm gonna put some text. Not here. I want to add a new row actually, and this row is gonna be just like a 1 column. I'm gonna put this row up here. So yeah, this is how you build it, and then you put here. Then you can add your title. This is my page, and there's other stuff that you can do. So this is just a quick sample. Let's see what images I have here. Okay, I'll put this image, just simple, just real quick, just so you can have a look at it. I'm gonna delete this page once I'm done with it. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this and duplicate it again, and I'm gonna just, because we don't have that much time right now, we'll just preview the page. You can save it as draft. If you don't want to publish that page yet, you don't want to make it go live, you can just save it as a draft and then come back and work on it. Here you go. You see? And different themes. I can delete this whole section. This is a widget area, sidebar widget area. I can center this. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Maybe it's better if I just leave this blank and put right here. And then you're gonna have to learn what all of this stuff means, and I'm gonna be teaching you all of this stuff, just not right now. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long because people get bored. after if the video becomes too long. Okay, right here I don't have that much options because this I'm not using a good theme here. I don't need a good theme for this. Oh crap, oh, I'm sorry. I don't need a good theme for this website. Like I said, this is just to make as you can see, you can switch. Okay, let's preview it. And then eventually, okay, and that's how you create a website. You can center this right here, make it big, make bigger letters, and change fonts. It depends. It all change fonts, and then you can add like a 2 paragraphs here, the same way I did it, but you do a two column row. You add some little bit of text, and you know it's simple. It's simple once you learn how to do it, and I'm gonna teach you how. So just follow me on Facebook, like my page, go to my YouTube channel, and just follow me, and then you're gonna learn how to do this stuff. It's not that hard, guys. Okay. So you're gonna need. Okay, so you've learned about domain names. You're gonna need a domain name. If you're the winner of this website, I'm gonna help you choose a domain name. I'm gonna teach you how to. I'm gonna help you with the domain name, and you probably already read the post. I hope you did. If you haven't, then go read my blog post on domain names. And then you're not gonna need hosting. It is something that you need, but with me, you're not gonna need this hosting, because I'm gonna host your website for a year for free. That'll give you time to experiment and to try out to learn how to use WordPress. You can buy your own host, or you probably will need hosting so you can practice. You buy the cheapest hosting that there is on Bluehost, and you just practice with you get your own your own theme. Invest about $100, $200, invest in yourself, and throughout the whole, that's for the whole year. Throughout the whole year, you practice, you learn more, you watch my videos, and when you watch other videos, you can read books, on WordPress. And when your year expires with me, I can always, if you want to just manage your own website, I can go ahead and transfer your website and your domain name to your hosting, and then you just take over from there. If you ever need any special help, then you can always outsource that work to me, and I can help you out with that. So this is WordPress, guys. I know that when you first log in here, you're like, okay, I want to build a website on WordPress. And that's what I did. So I went to WordPress.com, I downloaded it, I did everything, and then when I went up here, this was what came out right here, and I was like, okay, so what do I do? How am I supposed to build a website from here? And then even if I would have been known what to do, and I would have been able to manage to go here, I would have been a little bit lost. These are columns. This is a row. Okay, these are called rows, and each one of these is a column. And then there's spacing that helps you, separate stuff. Right here, this one's good because you can separate here, and you can buy different page builders that have better function than this. This is just a simple free page builder. You can buy a paid version that will give you a lot more control, or it'll be easier to use. You see, I can make this small. You can change this into just a 2-column row. So yeah, and then you just got to learn about padding and margins. That controls all the, kind of like the layout of the website. So that's what it is, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I know I wasn't able to explain a whole lot, but just keep watching. Just follow me on Facebook, and on Facebook I'm gonna post my channel so that you can just you're not going all over the place. You can just find everything from Facebook or from my website. Actually, on my website, on the top right corner, left corner, I have all my social media right there. So just go there, and you're gonna find all my social media. You're gonna find my YouTube channel. You're gonna find my Facebook. I don't have my YouTube channel up there yet, but I will be putting it up there. Okay, so check me out right there, and stay updated, guys. I'm local, so if you need any help, if you ever need to see me in person, I mean, we can just set up an appointment. Thank you.